By this time next year, Lamborghini's lineup will significantly change. The Aventador will be discontinued, the Urus will become a hybrid, and the Huracan will be replaced by a new hybrid sports car with technology similar to the Revuelto. Lamborghini has revealed few details about its new entry-level supercar, which will feature a plug-in hybrid V8 engine instead of the V10. Performance, price, and electric range details are expected at its full debut in a few months. The car's name remains a mystery, though Lamborghini trademarked Temerario in February, which might not be used for this model. The design will stick to Lamborghini's sharp, wedge-shaped style. Spy shots reveal a low, wide supercar with slim headlights and large intakes, borrowing elements from the Revuelto, but maintaining a unique hexagon-shaped LED lighting. Powering the new model will be a turbocharged, plug-in hybrid V8 with an undisclosed displacement and output, rumored to have a 10,000 RPM redline and turbos activating at 7,000 RPM. It will likely pair with the 8-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission from the Revuelto. Although horsepower details are unknown, it's expected to surpass the Huracan's 631 horsepower, with comparisons drawn to the Revuelto's 1,001 horsepower and the Urus's 739 horsepower. The Huracan successor will debut in August, possibly at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. Lamborghini aims to hybridize its entire lineup by 2025, so the new supercar should be available by the end of next year. Prices may start around $300,000, higher than the current Huracan's $250,000 base price.